We're getting a bit ducking fancy in the kitchen today. These are my duck à l'orange legs wrapped in prosciutto with a pumpkin puree, grilled asparagus and walnuts. Let's go. So the beautiful thing about this recipe is the à l'orange legs, they're already cooked for you, slow cooked, beautiful duck meat from the legends at Luv-a-Duck. Now, when I said we're doing a pumpkin puree, what I'm going to do is reserve some of this marinade from the duck à l'orange legs and sprinkle that onto my pumpkin. We've got our à l'orange duck legs onto our lined baking tray. Now we get the prosciutto. What we're gonna do is we're going to wrap our duck à l'orange legs in the prosciutto and then bake them in the oven just for 15 minutes, 180 to 200 degrees until the prosciutto is nice and caramelized and that duck has heated through. All right, so our prosciutto wrapped duck à l'orange legs are in the oven. We're gonna move on to our other components of the dish. So here we've got some walnuts. We're gonna toast them in the frying pan. Our walnuts have got some good color on them. It's asparagus time. And we're just going to fry our asparagus. All we have to do now is make up our pumpkin puree. So we've got some roasted pumpkin that I just roasted in the oven with some of those excess à l'orange marinade juices. Going to add a little bit of cream and then we're just gonna hit it with our stick blender till it's beautiful, silky and smooth. Time to plate up. Now we can't forget our walnuts that we roasted in the frying pan, and then they can just sprinkle over the dish. You would expect that from a fine dining restaurant, but we've just made it at home in about 15 minutes time. My prosciutto wrapped à l'orange duck legs, pumpkin puree, grilled asparagus and walnuts. Give this one a try.